Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you aware of the top 5 dangerous tools used in ethical hacking? If not, stick around because today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity to uncover some eye-opening information. Welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things tech-related. Today, we're shedding light on dangerous tools in ethical hacking and why it's crucial to understand them to protect your privacy in this digital age. With the increasing reliance on technology, the importance of cybersecurity has never been more critical. Ethical hacking plays a vital role in identifying vulnerabilities before malicious hackers exploit them, making it essential to be aware of the tools they use. Let's jump into the main content, the top 5 dangerous tools in ethical hacking. These tools include Metasploit, a powerful framework for developing and executing exploit code; Wireshark, a network protocol analyzer; Nmap, a network scanning tool; Burp Suite, an intercepting proxy tool; and John the Ripper, a password cracking tool. These tools, when in the wrong hands, can wreak havoc on individuals and organizations. Now, let's delve into how these tools can be used by hackers and the potential risks they pose. From gaining unauthorized access to sensitive information to launching targeted attacks, these tools enable hackers to exploit vulnerabilities and compromise cybersecurity defenses. Understanding their capabilities is crucial in fortifying our digital defenses. To provide further insights, let's hear from cybersecurity experts. According to renowned experts in the field, these tools are not just a threat, but a wake-up call for individuals and businesses to stay vigilant in safeguarding their digital assets. Staying informed and proactive is key in mitigating cybersecurity risks. In conclusion, being aware of these dangerous tools is paramount in safeguarding your privacy. By understanding how hackers operate and the tools they use, we can better protect ourselves and our data from potential cyber threats. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay safe in the digital world. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found it informative. Share it with your friends and family to spread awareness about cybersecurity. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel for more cybersecurity tips and updates. Together, let's make the digital world a safer place. Thanks for watching.